Today, we have Butters. Butters has come back. Butters is very talkative. It's a rainy ass day. He's actually letting me pet him, which is different. Hi, sweet boy. Yes, Mr. Butters. You need to come in the house. Come on, let's go. Go on. Go. Get. Go. Come on. Come on, Mr. Butters. Come on, let's go. The Guardians and Angel, who loves Butters. He's coming in. Come on in, sweet boy. Come on, boy. Come on. Let's go. Come. Where are you going? Come on in. No, you stay. Angel, Floofy, you guys stay. Butters, you need to come in. It's really wet and nicky out there, and you are all beat up. Go on. Go back upstairs, Angels. Why are you not coming in? Yeah, Mr. Butters. Mr. Butters doesn't like being petted. He's not sure of it. Yeah, he's not sure of it. He still smacks me sometimes. He says no a lot. But I did get him this little bed thing here next to the barbecue. He sleeps on it all the time. And I got some toys from my kitties there that he gets their scent from. And they get his scent because he takes a dump underneath our deck all the time. Poor thing.